There was a comment from Lilida
Okay.
similar to that meditation times and things like that that you were talking about in the comment
Okay.
box.
Let me just see. Okay, don't know if this has been spoken about before, but curious to know whether anyone knows about astrological changes affecting LOA or any aspect of well-being. Uh, there's been a lot of eclipse, full months this past year. I don't know a lot about it, but curious. Okay, so yes, things do impact. Um, we are all not connected by each other by our physical bodies. It's the physical body that we see, basically, but we are connected to each other by cosmic energy, our energy, vibration that we create, or that we are in creating energy, and when use different frequency. So they do impact, but they cannot impact you more if you are more aware. So it's like that. Um, I'm thinking of one example. So remember in couple of weeks back, one of the meeting when Ellen was presenting on Vastu, Vedic architecture. So Vastu is basically the energy of things, place, and using this energy in such a way that it assists you in your well-being, creating luck for you, creating positive energy for you. Does that mean that someone living in non-Vastu home will have miserable life? No. Does that mean that someone living in Vastu life will not have any pain or problem? No, not at all. So all these things do exist, all these things do impact, but ultimately your awareness, your understanding, and um, your proximity to your own energy will be something that will decide. At times, okay, I don't know how you guys will like it or not. At times there are some collateral damage that happens, and at times we have to be part of that. There's some sad reality to it. Everyone says universe is all with a design, everything happens for a reason, and it does. But then at times there's some collateral damage that happens. So I don't know if you guys know now or not, but in China they are suffering. They are paying for the way what they have done already. Not many people know they are floods which are like breaking or actually affecting millions of people there. There are floods, there are snow in summers, 3 feet snow rather, and there are people dying in huge numbers because of these floods and these rains, and their dams are collapsing. So much is happening, and not to mention the pandemic. There are 4 different types of pandemics they are dealing with. Their leaders have uh, left Beijing, by the way. So so much is happening over there, and many of people are dying because because not because their destiny was written in such a way. It is because some certain thing had to happen, and when certain thing have to happen, at times we become um, I won't say victim because we are not always a victim, but we become part of that at times. I didn't want to paint a negative picture about things, but it is important for us to know that not everything is in our control, no matter how much I say. Because if I say, if we are aware of my energy, if I am aware of my energy, I won't be as much impacted. If I am able to see myself, or I have that connection with God, I may not be getting impacted. and that is also true unless we reach that stage. So one example is people can die when they don't eat or when they don't breathe, but there are many people who don't eat for years and still survive. There are people who go into that samadhi and they don't even have to depend on oxygen to survive. There are many people like that, and one can develop that practice by or reach that stage by regular practice of things. One can live without oxygen as well, for if not for infinity, at least for some duration. Maybe it duration is 10 second. That 10 second will increase to 30 second. That 30 seconds will increase to 1 minute or 5 minutes or 10 minutes. But then if you ask a normal person to survive without oxygen for like 10 seconds, they will not. But we all can train ourselves. So unless we do train ourselves from all such things where we are not getting impacted by outside energies and influence, we are vulnerable to what happens, and all of that do impact the way we think, the energy around us, the way people think, um, the consciousness of the city that we live in, the energy around people or our families. It does impact.